Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, how are you all? I hope all the friends all good, will be fine. So may Allah bless you. Always keep smile and live happily. So in this videos I am sharing you and different fabulous collections. So I hope you like it. All my unique and fabulous and different rock paintings ideas are very precious and conscious. So different rock sound paintings for animals and other styles. So I hope you like it. Escape enjoy my unique and different collections. So friends, I hope you like it. If you don't have subscribed my channel, so kindly first of all subscribe my channel, like my videos. All my favorites and different styles are very amazing and unique. So my dear friends, you can like and enjoy my unique and different designs and ideas, because new fabulous styles, different unique designs and prettiest ideas sharing with you. Different animal rock paintings and different other styles for handmade paintings ideas, so you can like it. All my unique collections and different unique styles. So my dear friends, all the my unique and latest different designs and ideas are amazing or unique. So I hope you like and enjoy my unique collections. Let's see my next videos on my YouTube channels.